Hindi naman yan, di naman niya sinasadya eh. Sadyang malikot din to. Hilig magtakbo. Baliktad anak.
Nag-sorry na sa'yo si Mati. Mag-sorry ka na lang.
Mag-live.
Tulit-tulit na.
Yan, very good.
O, dahan-dahan lang.
More anak, more. Make it more. Yeah, some morning in the night. Come on, more. No, only orange. The teacher said only orange. No other color. Only orange. Okay. Hold here. More color. Yan. Good job.
Wala si Lia? Wala ba niya si Lia?
Yan, more. All orange. Yeah. Come on, make it more. Make it more, Scarlett. No. Only orange, my love. Only orange. Come on now. Over here. I will go. Oh, come on. Color the orange. Pick up the orange color. You color this one. Yeah. I see. Is that orange?
Si Bonbin mo na?
Is that this one is the orange? This one is the orange, my love. Here. Oh, come on. Over here. Dali na. Ay, dali na kasi mag-buy na tayo ng ice cream.
Wow, very good.
Dali na, anak. Color na.
Dami ah. Ayusin mo.
More.
Ganyan kasi.
More color.
Ano color yan? Orange.
More.
Black.
Huwag mo na kasi itutong nak. Dali na kasi mag-buy tayo ng cake. Okay?
Hindi ka yun ang
Yeah. Oh, come on. Color here.
cellphone, mabilis ka ha.
More color, anak. Look at your work.
Walang color, me.
Color mo, anak.
Dali na.
Ay, ito yung kamay niya.
Ayan na tayo pang white eh.
All white color into orange, anak, ha? Then, finish mo na yung color mo. Scarlet, please. Color mo. There's more. Thank you. Color it all. All have white. More. Here naman. Okay. Color there.
I feel tired.
No, here na. I will help you. Come on. Oh, no, you're the one who hold it. No, not that one. Hindi ako mag-buy na. I will not buy ice cream. I will not buy cake. You want cake? Oh, dali na. Color mo na to. Color all of this. Come on.
Ganun na. Song. Dami pa ito pa, Biyo. Pantay-pantay mo lahat.
Scarlet, please. Naguhom na nga lang ako. O, come on na. Color mo na. Color. Here, color. What? Yeah, it's for you. Come on. Faster. This one, look. Look at the paper with the white. Color it into orange, okay? More. Come on, more. More, my love. Can I keep this one? Can I keep? Okay, go color it. Color it the orange. All white there is color orange. Come on. Shade it.
Gawin din nila mo. Ayaw sa ate, tapos iti-trace mo ito. Ito pa oh. Kasi sabi ni Tita Chris, di ba ganun lang yung shape mo? Pag ganun lang oh. Oh. Ganyan lang, oh. Ikaw, gaya mo. Straight lang yung shape mo. Yan, oh.
Anak naman eh.
Pag ayaw niya sumunod, doon namin dinadala. Eh, nung nakaraan, gusto niya ako lang ng ako. Kasi hindi naman ako yung mainitin ng ulo.
This one, there's more white.
Oo, para mabilis.
Listen to mommy.
Para sa
please.
susunod,
Anak.
hindi ka magtuto.
Hey, hey, don't play. Move it here.
Para hindi kita susumbong
Baby.
kay daddy.
Baby. Here. Color here.
Kasi lagi siya nakabuhang pa.
Ay. Here. More. Not yet done. Come on, I will help you. Come on. You're tired now? Look at here. Scarlett. Ganito na lang. Color. Please. Take this na lang.
Anong color yan?
Dali na color na natin.
Anong color yan? Orange. Pag kinakausap ka, sumagot ka. Ay, ay.
Sleepy. Come on. Come on. Yes. It's okay. It's okay. You color it on. Color it on.
Ganyan, oh.
Color more.
Lahat
can
na
do
makikita
it.
mong white. Stop na.
Oh, dali na. More color na. Yeah, faster. Make it faster. Here. Color it all. Come on. Colored orange. What color is that? Say orange.
Ganyan, Madi. Oo. Ganyan, oo.
More. Yay, more. More.
Tago mo na yan, color mo.
Ayun na. I will help you na. You're the one na lang. Come on. Very good. Come on. Faster. More. There's more. Sorry. Look at what they're doing para hindi lalagpas, anak.
Behave ka na.
It's not the
Limit
wrong.
down ka ng maayos. Alis dyan.
Gusto ka lang kumain. Yan kasi kay Scarlett din. Oh, more. Here. No, not tomorrow. I will buy you a cake now. We will buy your cake. I will help you na lang. Dali. Yeah, the big cake. Come on. Color this one. Yeah. Come on. I have a beautiful cake. I will help you. Mommy will help you. You're the one. Yeah, it's for you. Come on na. Oh, here. Oh, keep na to ni Mommy. Yeah, color now. Color now, please. Nak, look at here. Scarlett. Ay, wala na. Color more. Here.
Madison, di yan sa'yo. Pag hindi sa'yo, huwag mong ginagalaw.
Scarlett. Here. Meron pa, oh. Dali na. Scarlett, ayan. More color. Very good. Come on. No, not yet. You finish this one first.
Crystal.
Dali na, please na. This one, there's more. Hey, listen to mommy. This one, anak, have white. Listen to mommy, nak. Please naman. Si Wawa na nga lang kasama mo. Oh, dali na. All have white. Color into orange. Dali na. I will keep this one na lang. Dali na, para hindi na ano. No more, John. There's nothing there. Come on. Color na, my loves. Na, I keep na natin to. Color mo na, color. More orange, more.
Wait lang. Hiniran ni Ate Lenny.
Dali na, more.
Absent ba kay Kapo?
More na, anak. Dali na, please. Oh, color. There's more. Ay! Hulog na, anak. Mahulog.
Madison. Basta tapos ka na, mag-behave ka lang. Huwag kang makailang. Mamaya pag
Ayan na, nalaglag na. Scarlett! I will go home na. Oh, sit down. Finish your work.
Daddy now.
Finish your work. Come on. Color it all. Color into orange. Scarlet. Color na.
Puro orange
Did you catch?
Anong color niya?
Did you catch, baby? Did you catch? Oh, good job. Come on, color. Okay. Yeah.
Kulayan.
Ay, sorry. I'm sorry.
Maliliit na square. Baka nag-solid na kayo, di ba kayo gumawa ng square? Ay, magsusulat po.
Ay, na kaya Tilen. Anong gagawin din? Square mo muna. Ano yung square ko muna? Huwag mong galawin yan. Yan yung sa'yo. Makainamera ko.
No. Here, look. Pero pa more. Enough na?
Yan na.
Enough? Okay. Bring mo na yan kay teacher. Give this to the teacher. Bring to your teacher.
Hindi alam ko kasulat sa kanila eh.
Ay, magsulat ikaw, anak. Baby, dali. Magsulat ka pa. Mag-drawing pa sila dyan ng square, ma'am. Okay, Mir. Mag-draw pala ng square. Mag-draw ka pa ng square. Sit down, sit down.